Goko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Moses Kuria akiaraniria na TV ya Citizen muthenya wa ira augire ati mwaka wa 2027 gutigakorwo na ithurano, there be no election, ati gugakorwo na consensus. Aramaanisha ati akiuga uhoro wa consensus is a general agreement. Ado magoka hamwe muka agree ati uyu atuike president, uyu deputy, uyu guo. Arauga atiriri, it will be not like a football match kuria andu macontestaga mwone nu ugucinda. Ati there will be a consensus. Na ti consensus icio ni mambiriirie ati mathi kuria athuri mone maoni mao igetha tuikinya mwaka 27 gukona consensus but not election. Katiba ya Kenya yugite Katiba ya Kenya yugite riri, election must be held after every 5 years. Guti handu katiba ya Kenya yugite riri uhoro wa consensus ati andu moke magiri uyu atuike president uyu deputy uguo. Niki Moses Kuria aria uhoro wa consensus na video ndamwikira haha ni tondu wa riri ni moi matigacinde githurano kia mwaka wa 2027. They know that na maretha riri kaundu mangihota ku escape ithurano cia mwaka wa 2027. But will they go against 2020 will they go against the constitution of Kenya? Rekana bũrũri ũgavanagwo by the rule of law. So egetha mathie gacira kau ka consensus, then they have to change constitution. Na gucenjia katiba, na gucenjia na through referendum. Yeah? Wakauga atiriri ati mwaka wa 2002 hingo ya Kibaki na Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta ati ni consensus ciekitwo na magiuka in agreement ati Kibaki oe no ithi gutia na ithurano. Akageria kuga atiriri ati margin iria Kibaki acindite nayo Uhuru ati gutikuona kana margin te yo ringi. But guys, hingo yo a Kenya ni maagriete na ni maamwite na ni manogetio ni wathani wa Moi. So a Kenya na opposition yothe ikinyitana, opposition yanyitana by then magiuka mwena wa Kibaki na makiuka Kibaki tosha na nikio margin yo yari nene uguo. Raila agiuka thutha wa Kibaki, andu aria angi othe mari opposition magiuka thutha wa Kibaki, Moi agitigwo na Uhuru wake, nikio margin yo yari nene uguo. It's not consensus. The same thing as you speak, we have united opposition iratongorio ni Gachagua, Kalonzo, igatongorio no Matiang'i, kwina andu a Western, andu a mathaini na mambite kuingira, Coast nyambite kuingira. With this ni marona atiriri, they can't be able to beat mundu ugwitwo Ruto akona, they can't be able to beat mundu ya ugatu flag bearer ni united opposition. You must Kuria Keria.
And let me shock you. So, kuna watu, there's some people who are doing exams, who are doing practice for a football match that will not happen. There will not be that kind of content. There's not going to be an election in 2027 for presidential.
Say that again.
Yes, there's not going to be a contest. Let me ask you, 2002, yeah. Was there an election?
There was.
So it's not a stamp. Yes. Kibaki had been pre-agreed. Have you ever seen that margin again?
No.
Ilikuwa ngapi?
71
to 20 something. Yeah. Is that an election? That is almost like we're almost rivaling Museveni with his 98%. So because it was a movement. Yeah. So 2027 will be another movement like 2002. There's not going to be an election in the sense that you are thinking. There's going to be so much consensus in the country. Wazee wataketi chini. They say we have two options. Go Rwanda way, destroy the nation Rwanda way, or let's agree. Let there be honor among, I don't say thieves, but among men and women. Let there be honor among men and women. Because the opportunity rose. The alternative will be too dire to fathom. So people will say now, before we go this direction, there's going to be so much consensus around 2027. And the kind of election people are imagining is going to be there. It's not going to be like 2022. It's not going to be like 2017. It's not going to be like 2013. There will be so much consensus for the need of people to say, there will be two factors driving that consensus. One is that danger, that really if we cross the precipice there, if you cross the precipice there and the way without a consensus, things might be so bad. Yeah? I think Rigiji said it the wrong way, but I think he said it for the wrong reason, because of election stealing and all that. No, there's going the opportunity, the possibility of us jumping over the cliff if we don't manage 2027 right is more dangerous than 207 and all these other things. And that will be the impetus, that will be the incentive that is going to make people sit around the table and say, to save this country, we are going to do where utapata hii, where utapata hii, where utapata hii ingine. Unfortunately, that is not the game some people are practicing for. Some people are practicing for football, and it is going to be a tennis match.
Guys, Ushio ni Moses Kuria akiaria uhoro wa consensus. Ndamwira consensus is a general agreement oria andu moka akauga tiriri ati matingire bururi uyu uthie Rwanda way ati mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua ni aritie no Rigathi wa Gachagua aririe akiuga tiriri ati magikanageria kuiya githurano kana chairman wa IEBC agikanageria gutangatha mundu uria utacindite ati 2007 kwari Christmas. Oguo niguo Rigathi wa Gachagua ugire. Niki mambia kuinaina tene? Niki mambia kuinaina? Melo nikora mamakiria muno, by the way, guys. And let me tell you one thing. Ruto ona kenwe wega muno. Atari na kuresha Mount Kenya ona emwe. Githurano gya 2027 dagishinda. He knows that. Atari na kura cia 2027 ona emwe dagishinda githurano kia mwaka wa 2027. Let me give you illustration, guys. Mwaka wa 2027 kura mwaka wa 2027 Raila Amolo Odinga only kura milioni 1. Kura milioni 1 kuma Mount Kenya region nicicindite kura iria one kuma region yake ya Nakuru Nyanza. Tondu miene yo ya Nakuru oni around kura ngiri 700,000 700,000 votes. Ogethi orore ni ukuona only kura milioni 1 kuma Mount Kenya region na kuma kuria gwake around 700,000 votes. Ruto akiona kura milioni 3 million votes. Okay? Ciothe ciaturanirwo tondu riu cira faini rimwe kura milioni 3 na kura milioni 1 na kindu its total is 4 something or 5 million votes. It's around 5 million votes tondu ni gukona andu mekwiyandikithia na andu hingo ni makomira muno ku vote. It's around 5 million votes. Imagine okiambia gu contest we gwaku tondu Rift Valley ena kura around 1 something ni 2 million igiri. We urabia contest na kura milioni 2 cia andu gwaku na tiothe makwenda na kwena region ya muite kura milioni 5 cigathie. Kwena region ile ingi cia support region ino kura milioni 2 kura milioni 1 you can't win, guys. Ona kwa andasireko. By the way, let me tell you the truth. As long as united opposition ni magakomanyitanite mwaka wa 2027 Ruto can't win. Ai. Kwani tunadanganyana? It's true. If at all united opposition would be united tugethi githurano kia mwaka wa 2027 Ruto dagishinda oneke mira kuireko, he can't win. And that's why they're saying, and they know very well they will not win this election. Nikyo Moses Kuria arari horo wake consensus mathi ati maranirie mogi wako ati mwaka wa 2022 kwali consensus. It was not consensus, by the way. It was not at all. It was not. It was election. No aduni maamwita matikwendeke otongoria wa Moi and anything to and anything related nake na Moi. Mwaka wa 2027 it will be the same. Akenya ni madisaidete totireda must go. And that's why you see nimaona margin wega ko enene muno. Nimaona imagine takuwa kubwa sana. Ni thoni. Because all Kenyans across the country have decided. Eno ni thoni nene margin ega ko enene muno. But the Constitution of Kenya says clearly that election must be held after every 5 years. Katiba ya Kenya diareti ohoro wa consensus. Ati moka into a general agreement. No, nothing like that. Wotire kipenge kiugete ogwo. Akikwena kipenge kiugete ogwo, then wa itherano iria ciothe cieketwo magiuka magaika thi makauga uyu ni tukwenda. Okay? But the constitution say election must be held after every 5 years. Now lu no magikole unless moke na kidogo to referendum. Referendum eko oi igetha tuthi horo wa consensus guikagia ndu thiini wa rumu makara uyu ne gutongoria miaka 5 na kungikona referendum Kenya no kumerega mangimerega thaici. In fact tutina hida ya referendum, so I don't migrate mai in a very big way now, and they know they won't win this election. Mwaka 2027 they know very well they will not win election, so nekio mena mara makogwo because they know clearly they won't win election. Na urosho maragiria wika ni horo risk muno tondu ni horo ugikira Kenya thina-ini munene matikabe kuga ati gutigakona ithurano. Ucio ni undu ningi ugiko very risky, ni undu ungithanwa naguo na njira nene muno, na ni undu ugituma bururi uyu wikore handu hacike. IBC yagirwo ko ithondeketwo thone magirire makimehitukia. I don't know what's going on, but IBC should be yagirwo ko function thaici. Kwena constitution ya still na bunge shikareti ogwo rege mubunge ni yakwire enso MCA magikua amwe gutire election shiketwo. So we need IEBC. Na mwaka 26 Akenya magirwo fight for IEBC implemento na yuke wega igetha ni undu wa ithurano. But adwene maigiretie mai as we speak washaingiza maji and it won't be easy. Togo most skuli araria ni kitu iweza happen, they know very well yo ni kitu iweza happen ni guteithia Akenya bao ni monete wega ona Raila anauga Rutotosha iyo ni bure haita make washaona hiyo kadi ya Raila kuwa Rutotosha wanaona haita make, so that's why wameanza kusema hii mambo. Anyway, it is what it is. Huku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Mwani manyuneko inywe mwana atia. Thank you, God bless you.